Hmong Culture Camp Inc. was created 7 years ago to help Hmong children learn the Hmong language, to love who they are, and to help other communities learn who we are. Our mission has always been to preserve the Hmong language and culture and spread cultural awareness and acceptance throughout Merced and worldwide. As time went on, we realized that the only way we could spread cultural awareness and acceptance was to embrace all of our neighboring cultures that were out there.
I also want to push us a step forward that it is not enough to just care about Asian Pacific American history and experiences, and Bosavan speaks to this, that we must also learn to be fluent in each other's histories, because everything is worthwhile if we do it together.
During the pandemic, we were the first to ask if we could help translate COVID-19 information to help our underserved Asian communities in Merced. We helped facilitate vaccine clinics for our Southeast Asian families and elders, and we also held a youth-led unity rally to advocate for the Asian hate crimes happening across the globe. We could not have done it without the unification of the different cultural communities out here. And that is why the Asian American Pacific Islander Heritage Month celebration is so important. Now that our communities have overcome such dark times, it is time for us to continue to embrace all of the cultures in the Central Valley and show solidarity moving forward.
The wind whispers the questions I need not of now. I know I've crossed over more than I can allow. Many ask me what I do with and how. But I don't even understand the way I'm feeling right now.